Village Volunteers Coordinating Committee (Vvcc) has expressed strong opposition to the decision by Kzc'S Council (Kzc'S) to open National Highway Number 2 for free movement of commuters and essential goods in exchange for an extension of suspension of operations SU agreement. In a statement released, Vvcc condemned the move as a unilateral decision taken without consulting the public or primary stakeholders affected by the ongoing conflict. The committee declared the decision null and void and reaffirmed that there shall be no free movement for Meitei community within Kzc'S territories until separate administrative arrangement, for Kzc'S people is established. Vvcc also announced complete boycott of Kzc'S Council, warning that any continuation of its activities without retracting the decision would be at the Council's own risk. The committee further clarified that SU groups are not mandated representatives of Kzc'S people and that decisions by these groups do not reflect the collective political will or aspirations of the community.